just telling people I don't normally do this type of stuff, so.
Yeah, well, I don't either. So.
Yeah, ain't no way your dad gonna let you do all that. It's been 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes to pull out some tools. Okay, venimos. Yeah.
That's what my dad would be. Ya póngase a trabajar. We're changing the bottom one, right?
Okay.
Because it's bad. You just cut it here. You cut the top one too, even if you're not gonna replace it. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now do that on this side. Since we know this one's not gonna get removed, we try to not damage it as much. This one's already coming out.
Wow.